Hello ramblers, IP Hillbilly back again, and we're actually now at Buggy Basin. Telling the truth, because there you go, there to prove it. It's canal, and guess what? It's frozen. Here's the let's pause and see that house that we built. There we go. Let's crack on. This is from Wednesday night, this. It's still not gone, it's been that cold. It's proper cold. I'm in here for you. I'm Buggy Basin. And yeah, there it is. Duck and geese worst nightmare. Meh. Or meh. Is ice. Frozen. The frozen basin. We're narrow boxing. Community library. Take one, replace one. Ooh, nice hound there. Getting a lot of hounds in at the minute. Proper hound weather, isn't it? More facts about Buggy Basin. We better pause that. Let's crack on. Anyway, it's Brock and refroze. Probably folk throwing stuff in. Let's yak on over at bridge. Hopefully that. Like and subscribe. Check out the channel, community. Take some time to grow. Like-minded folks. Right up, slippy nippy. Like walking, talking tribe. But also into animals. Nicest from there, look at that. Sun going through trees. Bypass A6 other side. Holy schmoly, frozen maholy. These panels there not getting much sun. It's a good thing all they need is light. These proper new ones. Proper new, they're all proper ones, but these proper just need light. Oh, up, slippy nippy again. Oh, it's frozen. Oh, I get a bit shaky wakey. Very blakey. It's just a bit icy and slippy underfoot. 100 foot, lad. Because it's iced all over. There we go. I want to hear about the lower basin arm. So yeah, not only is the main stretch in Whaley Bridge, the Peak Forest Canal, frozen, but also here in Bugsworth, Buggy Basin, it's frozen, lad. It's frozen. So from a semi-cold IP Hillbilly, stay safe, take care ramblers, ramble on, it's nice that the sun's coming down, adios.